You may now gently close your eyes if you wish, or just keep them open as I recite some encouraging affirmations to you to help you enhance your health and enjoy a happy life. I am starting to feel happier. Others are beginning to notice how happy and positive I am. I will be thankful for each day. I will become happy and spread positive energy to others. I am finding that I feel joyful on a daily basis. I will always be optimistic and have a positive outlook on everything in my life. I will always see the bright side of life, especially in difficult situations. I will nurture a deep sense of internal happiness within myself. My life is getting better all the time. I am noticing that I feel more optimistic about life. I am full of joy every moment, every hour of every day, all year round. Every day I am happy. I just feel good. I see happiness wherever I go. Just locally, or when I visit other towns, even when I'm driving in the country, I see happiness in the trees. I see happiness with the birds flying. I see and feel happiness when the wind blows through my hair. I have boundless positive energy within me, and my family and my friends and even strangers notice this about me. I am grateful for my life regardless what is happening. I see the good in everything around me. I am full of positive energy every single day. I am happy with who I am. I accept myself unconditionally, even as I strive to be better at everything. I have a great life. Other people are drawn to me because I am so full of life and I look happy all the time. I am a naturally happy person. Life just feels great all the time to me. I can easily pick myself up and lift my spirits when needed. This is my attitude about everything in my life. Being optimistic comes easily to me. There is no effort at all involved. I am the one that others look to for reassurance during difficult times. Great things always seem to come my way. I feel a natural sense of peace and happiness within myself. Being happy all the time is normal for me. Every day I am better and better at feeling happy all the time. I choose to have a positive outlook and a positive view of myself and all others. I'm filled with a sense of gratitude just for being alive. Life is good. I am starting to feel happier. Others are beginning to notice how happy and positive I am. I will be thankful for each day. I will become happy and spread positive energy to others. I am finding that I feel joyful on a daily basis. I will always be optimistic and have a positive outlook on everything in my life. Please gently open your eyes. Please gently open your eyes and notice just how much brighter everything around you looks and how much more vivid they are. This is because you allowed yourself to heal yourself, and of course know that you are your own best healer. This is Master Sio. Thank you.